Well, I think that the oil market is going to continue to be buffeted between the headlines we see out of the Middle East and the fear that there might be a supply disruption, and on the other hand, being counteracted by the Fed decision to keep interest rates really higher for a longer period of time, which can impact consumer spending and demand. I think the probability of a supply disruption, especially the shutdown of the Strait of Hormuz, is of a low probability because you have both the producers like Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Iraq, and Iran who need the revenue, and on the other hand, you need the consumers, China, India, and the rest of the world who need the crude oil.
What if Iran got actively involved?
Well, I think that if Iran got actively involved and, the world seems to be waiting for direct proof that they're involved, I think that the retaliatory action that Israel would take would be actually to attack a nuclear or a military facility in Iran rather than an oil-producing facility.
Andy, hasn't there already been effectively a declaration of war by Iran through proxy? Yemen's Houthi militants, who we know are Iran-backed, have said as much. And doesn't that raise the risk of an attack along the lines of Abqaiq Quraysh happening again?
Well, I think that's exactly right. Iran is prosecuting this war through its proxies. And one of my fears is that maybe one of these proxies makes a very bad mistake when they're attacking Israel, and Israel just then goes right for Iran's jugular and doesn't wait for direct evidence to reappear or appear in the first place. And then it spreads very quickly to a regional conflict.